Marigold tea for regulating the menstrual cycle. Marigold tea decreases cramps and regulates menstrual flow. Do you have irregular or painful menstrual cycles? Marigold may be the solution to your problem. This beautiful plant, famous for its healing properties for the skin, is also a natural remedy to treat menstrual period irregularities. Find out how it can help you. Its scientific name is Calendula officinalis, and it is one of the most used plants medicinally for centuries, especially to treat skin diseases. Its benefits come largely from its rich content of flavonoids, a type of chemical substance that acts as an antioxidant in the body. As you may already know, antioxidants can protect cells from damage caused by oxidative stress resulting from the action of free radicals. On the other hand, these compounds are responsible for reducing the body's immune function, thus causing the development of all kinds of diseases. In addition, different investigations affirm that marigold has an antispasmodic action capable of alleviating menstrual cramps and diminishing the symptoms of menopause. The best way to obtain these benefits is to prepare tea with its flowers. Do you want to learn how to prepare it? Take note of the following tips. How to prepare marigold tea. To prepare marigold tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried calendula petals in a cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the petals and enjoy the tea. You can drink it 2 to 3 times a day, starting a few days before your menstrual cycle and continuing throughout to help manage menstrual cramps. Avoid its consumption if you are allergic to chrysanthemums, daisies or ragweed, since marigold belongs to the same family and shares its components and characteristics. But why is marigold so good for regulating the menstrual cycle? Benefits of marigold tea for regulating the menstrual period. Since ancient times, this healing plant has been recognised for its great ememagogue properties, capable of normalising menstrual flow, increasing it in the case of scanty menstruation and decreasing it in the most abundant. Its abundance in flavonoids and quercetin provides optimal analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects, acting as a natural remedy to relieve pain and cramps typical of premenstrual syndrome. Marigold tea is a herbal infusion made from the petals of the Calendula officinalis plant. This vibrant flowering plant has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for various health benefits, including relieving menstrual cramps. Marigold tea is particularly popular among women due to its potential to alleviate menstrual discomfort and support overall reproductive health. Here is some detailed information about marigold tea and its benefits for menstrual cramps. Anti-inflammatory properties. Calendula tea contains compounds that possess anti-inflammatory properties. Menstrual cramps are often caused by prostaglandins, which are inflammatory molecules released during menstruation. Drinking marigold tea can help reduce inflammation in the uterus and surrounding tissues, thereby easing menstrual cramps. Relaxation and muscle relaxant effects. Marigold tea has mild sedative and muscle relaxant properties. This can help relax the uterine muscles, reducing the intensity of menstrual cramps. By promoting relaxation, Calendula tea may also help relieve stress and anxiety associated with menstrual discomfort. Antispasmodic effects. The active compounds in marigold tea, such as flavonoids and triterpenes, have antispasmodic effects. This means they can help reduce muscle spasms, including those that occur in the uterus during menstruation. By calming these contractions, Calendula tea can alleviate menstrual cramps. Hormonal balance. It is believed to support hormonal balance in women. Hormonal imbalances can contribute to menstrual pain and irregularities. By promoting hormonal equilibrium, marigold tea may help regulate the menstrual cycle and reduce the severity of cramps. Mild analgesic effects. Marigold tea has mild analgesic, pain-relieving properties. While it may not be as potent as over-the-counter pain medications, regular consumption of this tea can help alleviate mild to moderate menstrual cramps and reduce the need for stronger painkillers. Digestive support. Some women experience digestive disturbances, such as bloating and constipation during menstruation. Calendula tea can aid in soothing the digestive system and promoting healthy bowel movements. Addressing these issues indirectly contributes to relieving menstrual cramps. Emotional well-being. Menstrual cramps can often be accompanied by mood swings, irritability, and emotional distress. Marigold Tea's calming properties can help promote emotional well-being, reduce tension, and enhance relaxation, thereby providing relief from both physical and emotional symptoms associated with menstruation. It's important to note that while Marigold Tea is generally considered safe for most individuals, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. They can provide personalised advice based on your specific circumstances. Remember, although Marigold Tea may provide relief from menstrual cramps, it is not a substitute for medical advice or treatment. If you experience severe or persistent menstrual pain, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and guidance. Check the link in the comments for my green tea recommendations, and don't forget to like and subscribe.